So the fifth step of Eightfold Path is right livelihood. And here Buddha says that one should give up the wrong means of earning the livelihood and one should earn the livelihood with the right means. Yeah, fairly straightforward teaching. So what does it mean to earn the livelihood with the wrong means? The wrong means of earning the livelihood is the way of earning the livelihood where your livelihood is harming other people, right? An example can be uh, running a butcher shop, right? The way you are earning your livelihood is very harmful for other beings. Yeah. Another example can be, running these food companies which are, selling very unhealthy products that are very harmful for other people, but at the same time they are very dishonest and they are, advertising and marketing it as something very healthy. Maybe something like these healthy juices or something like that, where a lot of chemicals are mixed in that juice, and the creator knows this is harmful for other people, right? And they will probably not take it for themselves. So that kind of livelihood, right, which is uh, you're earning your livelihood by harming other people. uh, Another example can be something as good as a profession of a doctor, right? If your intent is not right, then that can also be polluted as a very wrong way of living your livelihood. If you're doing it only for greed. uh, an example can be that there are sometimes news like these, that an hospital kept a patient in ICU or something like some high charging facility where the patient was already dead, but they kept them in that facility for a few more days so that they can charge more money, right? And that is clearly a wrong way of earning one's livelihood. So this is Buddha saying that you should give up these kind of ways of earning the livelihood. And why it is important that you give up these kind of ways to earn the livelihood? It ties back again into the same thing we discussed before also, because your action, your karma creates different kind of internal states inside yourself, right? And different internal states are conducive for your spiritual growth, and different internal states are very disturbing for yourself, right? And if you're doing these sort of action with these sort of intent, it's going to create a very disturbing internal state, right? So that is why Buddha is saying just give up on these kind of a wrong way of livelihood. And then what is the right way of livelihood? Any honest profession, right? Any profession, engineer, doctor, um, mechanic, entrepreneur, anybody who is doing anything with an honest intention is the right livelihood. For example, somebody created this camera and it's very useful for me. I'm happy to pay for it, and it's not harmful for anybody, right? It's the simple, honest thing that somebody created. So things like these, right? It's not something very, you have to go and find something very serving oriented profession, but any profession which is honest and it is not harming other people, that is the right way of earning the livelihood.